Welcome back, you guys. I'm Tassie, and today I'm having McDonald's. So today I have the fish sandwich. So this is a medium fry, and then this is the quarter pounder with cheese. So I wanted to open this on camera. I haven't even opened it. So some of you guys might not know this, but I have never had the quarter pounder with cheese from McDonald's. I used to work in McDonald's when I was a kid, but for some reason I've just never eaten it. So at 32 years old, I'm finally gonna eat the quarter pounder with cheese. Oh, it's wrapped all fancy in here. So it's got like a sesame seed kind of a bun, like the Big Mac. It's got onion, the pickles, the cheese, and it's supposed to be like a quarter pound of meat in here. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna try and take it out. So this is the fish sandwich. I should have gotten like a hamburger or something like that to compare the sizes. But yeah, so this is the quarter pounder. And I do have my Guinness ghost pepper pickles. I'm going to eat with my burger here. Normally I always order extra pickles on my burgers. So I actually remember I have my ghost peppers, so I'm not going to do that. And then we have medium fries. It's 9 o'clock at night, you guys. What day is it today? On a Wednesday. I am so hungry. So a fish sandwich. Let me tell you guys about me and fish sandwiches. I love fish sandwiches. If you take me out to a restaurant, I will always open up to see if they have burgers. And if they do, I look for a walleye sandwich. I will always order the walleye sandwich, even if I'm like, no, you're gonna get something else. I end up ordering the walleye sandwiches. I love eating walleye sandwiches. Clearly, this is not a walleye sandwich. This is strictly a bun, tartar sauce, half a slice of cheese, and this frozen patty of fish. So, but I do love to eat this. This is like $4 something at McDonald's, you guys. It's $4 and like 39 cents or something. All of this, $13, $14. I just love fish sandwiches. And this is an orange pop Fanta. So I was at Burger King the other day, and I didn't think that Burger King had orange pop, but they actually had orange pop. They have Sunkissed. For fast food, excuse me there. Arby's has really good fish sandwiches. But Arby's, their fish sandwich only comes around Lent time. I was just thinking, you guys can always tell when I'm going to say something. So I was going to do a shout out to all of you guys who have commented to me in the past. You know, a lot of people, like right now in like the whole mukbang world, ASMR is really taking off. Unfortunately, I suck at it. So I definitely appreciate all the comments I've gotten, that you guys like hearing me talk, and you guys like to hear my weird stories. Because because I'm not good at ASMR. Like, people always ask me to do ASMR videos, certain types. Especially like my oysters and my seafood boils. But I don't think I'm good at it. I think it's because I'm such a talkative person. I feel like a dork when I'm just sitting there chewing and eating into the camera and I'm not saying anything. So I really appreciate those of you who said that you really like it when I talk. Now, don't get me wrong. I love to watch ASMR videos. But I'm not good at it. That's like on my channel, you only see me do some. And the whole time, I'm like, do people know I think I'm an idiot if I'm doing this? Maybe I just haven't gotten used to doing it. Maybe for 2019, I should work at that. Alright, I'm going to put some ghost pepper pickles on this sandwich. Okay, I'm going to eat it first, just the way it is, and then I'll do the ghost pepper pickles. This is, honestly, it looks kind of like a sad burger. I'm sorry, McDonald's. This isn't sponsored anyways, but it kind of looks like a sad burger. Like, there's no, like, lettuce on here. I mean, and you know, like, I don't eat that many veggies, but there's, like, no lettuce on here. There's no tomato. Well, we're going to try it. We're going to try this and we're going to see. Well, that's greasy. That is greasy. You guys see this grease stain? So right away, I taste mostly onions. There is a lot of white onion in here. And then at the end, I get the meat taste. I don't think it's like that great though. The Whopper, in my opinion, tastes better than this. Maybe I should have gotten the double quarter pounder, but that would have been like a half a pound of beef on there. And if you guys remember when I did the triple Whopper challenge, all right, we're gonna add some ghost pepper pickles on here. But I'll link my video of my triple Whopper burger challenge I had done in the description, if I remember. And you guys might notice, like, on a lot of YouTube channels, like, you know, like when you're watching a video, above your screen, you'll see, like, suggested videos or click on this video to see this video. I don't really do that on my channel because when I'm watching a YouTube video, I think they're so annoying. Like, it's covering my screen because most of the time I'm on my phone when I'm watching YouTube videos. So when I'm watching something and this white message comes across trying to get me to click on another video, I'm like, I'm not interested. Now we'll eat it. I love pickles. Especially spicy ones. it tastes really greasy. But I'm seriously sitting here wondering if this is real beef in there. So I don't know if you guys know this, but a lot of people say, okay, not a lot of people, it's basically a theory that there's like human remains or parts in McDonald's meat. I don't know. I probably shouldn't have said that as I'm eating McDonald's. I used to work at McDonald's, and towards the end of my career with McDonald's, I got to grill food. For a long time, they don't let you grill food because you can mess it up. So all I did was, like, I did the fry station, and then they had me do, like, cashiering and grabbing all the food, getting it ready and bagging it. And then they upgrade you to the drive-thru. But the thing is, if you become really good at a certain station, they'll keep you there when it's really busy. And my managers really liked that. I was like an upbeat, bubbly personality. I would get tips working at McDonald's, but my managers wouldn't let me keep it. But people were always trying to tip me. And so they always liked to have me up front or at the windows. But eventually, after like a long time, I think I worked at McDonald's for like 6 to 7 months. Eventually, they wanted me to learn how to cook. And they start you in the line. Like, orders will come through on the screen. I did buns for a long time. Buns, literally, you're taking it out of the bag and you're putting it through this toaster, and then you hand it down the line. And eventually I gotta count the chicken nuggets. And then they had me do the grill. I remember grilling these too. At McDonald's, a lot of people order the Big Mac. Chicken nuggets, those are huge. Obviously the fries, but a lot of people order salads at McDonald's. Like, if I was gonna eat a salad, it wouldn't come from McDonald's. I love their salads too, though. Especially with the fried chicken. But McDonald's is really clean. So I don't really believe in the stories. Unless you work like in a bad one. But the McDonald's I worked at, it was really nice. And we were all very cautious of, like, everybody always wore gloves. We always had to take it off and go wash our hands. We had to take turns washing hands, and we were supervised pretty well. No one ever did anything bad that I know of. And I had a really good time working at McDonald's. But I think it's because of the crew. So, you know, some people, they, the type of job they have really affects them. Because, you know, they may not be happy with the job that they have, but they also need money. And some people really, like, the outfits can really bother them. Like, my oldest sister, she used to work at Fleet Farm. And she hated it because at Fleet Farm, they wore these bright orange shirts. I don't know why. It was really ugly. Yeah, but if she thinks that she looks like an idiot in an outfit, she will not work there. And she'll be completely unhappy. It'll be written all over her face. But honestly, she's those kind of people, though, who really care about their appearance and how other people see them. I'm not that way. Like, for me, for some reason, I think it's hilarious when I go out in public and I look crazy. I think it's so funny when I do it for some reason. I'll look pretty crazy sometimes. I'll wear, like, hot pink shorts with my blue Crocs that are like clogs, okay? Like Crocs, you guys. I own pairs of Crocs. I used to own a hot pink pair of Crocs, but I don't know what happened to it. But I have a baby blue one. And you know how Crocs look like real nice shoes now? No, these are just the original Crocs that first came out. I wear them all the time. I'll just look like crazy sometimes, but I think it's so funny because it doesn't bother me. But I notice a lot of people stare at me. They don't make faces or anything, but they're just like, wow, like she's really wearing that. I mean, like, what's gonna happen if somebody sees you looking like an idiot? They're not gonna remember you. And plus, if they know you, and they know you're kind of zany, you know, that's okay. Only things I will not wear. So the only things I won't wear are things that, like on my chest, if it's too low. Like, for some reason, I'll show my whole legs off. I don't care. And, like, my shorts are the height of, like, my underwear. But I'm actually a person with a really large top part. So I always cover it up. When I was younger, I didn't. But, you know, as I got older, it just looked kind of like it's too out there. So I tend to always cover up my cleavage. But I will wear the shortest things in the world, and I'm okay with it. I just feel like your legs is not as bad as, like, just the top part. And I don't wear things that give you, like, a camel toe. And I don't wear clothes that are too tight. There is a difference between form-fitting and it looks like you're gonna bust out of the outfit. So those are things I don't wear. And my hooker heel days, they're long gone. I remember 6-inch heels at DJ Morgan Page, his concert. I was jumping all night. I was sprinting through downtown Minneapolis. I was 30 pounds lighter, of course, but yeah. That was crazy back then. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching. The quarter pounder, it was just okay. It's not like, I'll be honest, I wouldn't order it again. I don't think it was anything special. Like, if you're going for just, like, meat, comparatively at McDonald's. But, you know, I've had better burgers. A Whopper, for instance, is better than that. It tastes better than that. It's the flame broil, man. You can't beat the flame broil. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching.